Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets of growing long and healthy hair. We all dream of having those luscious locks. And the truth is, it's achievable with the right knowledge and a bit of effort. If you're looking for a step-by-step guide to achieve those amazing results, you're in the right place. We'll be covering everything from the inside out, because remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy body. So, let's get started. Let's talk about what you put into your body. Just like a car needs the right fuel, your hair needs the right nutrients. Protein is the building block of hair. Lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils are packed with protein. Healthy fats are essential too. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon, avocados, and nuts promote scalp health. Iron from spinach, leafy greens, and red meat is crucial. Vitamin C in citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers helps with collagen production. A balanced diet with a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key. Your hair will thank you. Now, let's talk about hydration. Just like every cell in your body needs water to function, so does your hair. When you're dehydrated, your hair can become dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Think of it this way. When your scalp is properly hydrated, it creates a healthier environment for hair growth. It's like watering a plant. You need to give it enough water for it to thrive. So how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. You can also incorporate hydrating foods into your diet like watermelon, cucumber, and spinach. These foods are naturally rich in electrolytes, which help your body retain water. And here's a bonus tip. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine, as these can actually dehydrate you. Stick to water, herbal teas, or infused water for a refreshing and hydrating boost. Now that we've covered the internal factors, let's move on to external care, starting with what you use to wash your hair. Traditional shampoos can be loaded with harsh chemicals that strip away your hair's natural oils, leaving it dry and damaged. Look for shampoos and conditioners that are free of sulfates, parabens, and silicones. These ingredients can be harsh on your hair and scalp, disrupting its natural balance. Instead, opt for natural alternatives that are formulated with gentle cleansing agents and nourishing ingredients. Look for ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, argan oil, and shea butter, which are known for their moisturizing and strengthening properties. When you switch to natural shampoos and conditioners, you might notice a transition period where your hair feels different. This is normal, as your hair adjusts to the absence of harsh chemicals. Remember, less is more when it comes to washing your hair. Washing your hair too frequently can strip away its natural oils, so aim for 2 to 3 times a week. And always follow up with a conditioner to replenish moisture and keep your hair soft and manageable. We love styling our hair, but it often comes with a cost damage. Heat styling tools like straighteners and curling irons can wreak havoc on your hair, causing dryness, breakage, and split ends. Now, I'm not saying you have to ditch these tools completely, but it's important to use them in moderation and always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand. Think of it like sunscreen for your hair. It creates a barrier to shield your strands from the damaging heat. Another culprit of hair damage is environmental factors like sun exposure, pollution, and chlorine. Just like your skin, your hair needs protection from the sun's harmful UV rays. Wear a hat when you're out in the sun for extended periods, especially during peak hours. And if you're a swimmer, rinse your hair with clean water before and after entering a pool or the ocean to minimize chlorine and saltwater damage. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to hair damage. By taking these simple steps, you can keep your hair looking its best and prevent future breakage. Let's create a simple daily hair care routine. Start with a gentle scalp massage to stimulate blood flow. Use your fingertips in circular motions for a few minutes. Detangle your hair with a wide-toothed comb from ends to roots. This prevents breakage and minimizes hair fall. Wash with lukewarm water to retain natural oils. Apply shampoo to your scalp and rinse thoroughly. Follow with conditioner on mid-lengths and ends. Let your hair air dry whenever possible. If using heat tools, apply heat protectant and use the lowest setting. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to start your own journey to long and healthy hair. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care. Stick to a healthy diet, stay hydrated, choose natural hair products, minimize damage, and follow a consistent hair care routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. Let us know in the comments if you have any hair care tips or questions.